Hello everyone and welcome again. So today in this video we will learn how to upload a hex file to the Arduino without using the IDE. For example, if we have an hex file we got from any project or from any source online, for example, and we don't have the source code. So in this video we will learn how to upload this hex file to the Arduino without using the IDE. Okay. So first of all, for example, here I use the blink. We can use any sketch at the first time just to get the avrdude command. Then we change to the CMD. Okay. First of all, we go to the file, preferences. Then we tick this property, show verbose output during upload, and we hit OK. Okay, so now I already connect my Arduino Uno to my laptop. Okay, so now I will hit upload. This upload or this process is just to find the avrdude command that we will use in the future to upload the hex file. Okay, so as we see now, done uploading everything successfully. So we can see here now, we can see all the information that's important for us to talk to the avrdude. So if we go up, here we go. This is the one. Okay, we will use it to upload the hex file to our board. Okay, double click here or triple click. Then we copy it, Control C. Then we open any notepad. Then we paste it. Okay. So here is our code. This is very important for us. This is the one we will use. Okay, first of all, we need to put this in quotation. Okay. We need to put this path is in quotation. And configuration. Okay. Then here we need to update the path and the name of our hex file. Okay. So for the test today, as we can see here, our Arduino is outputting nothing on the COM. So for test, we will try to upload one of the examples, let's say this one, but we try to modify a bit. We don't need this, we don't need this all. We just print out. Okay. So to get the hex file for this code, okay, it's very easy. We compile it first. Okay, done compiling. Then we go to here. We type %temp again to open the temporary file. Okay, here we go. This is our temporary file. So if you can see here, this is the Arduino build that we are using now. So the first one is the analog serial. Here is the one. Okay, and if you can see, this is the latest one. Okay. Oh, sorry, no, this is not the latest. Let's check this. Yes, I believe this is the latest one. Yeah. Okay, so from here we copy this path. Sorry, we copy this path to update the path to our hex file like this, then paste. Okay, nice. Now we go back again to the to our hex file place. Then we copy the name, but be careful we copy all the correct name, analog read serial.ino.hex. Okay, and here also we will change blink ino.hex. Paste. Okay, like this. Now we just Control A, copy. Okay, we open the CMD, then we paste it here and hit enter. Now it will read and done. It will do everything for you. And avrdude done. Thank you very much. And now to test our hex files already uploaded, we expect that our Arduino to print out OK on the serial monitor. And here is it. Okay, nice. Again, for example, if I want to upload back again our blink, let's say here, what I have to do, I have to verify it just to generate the hex file, or if you have the hex file already, no need to do this. Okay, we go to our temporary file, we take the latest one, this is the latest one. Okay, we take the path, copy here, we update the path, here is it, paste, then we take the file name or the hex file name exactly, Control A, copy, then we come here, .hex, nice, then we copy all these comments, we go to the CMD and paste this again, sorry, not this one, no, we haven't copy this, copy, and